Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here I am going to solve this equation. So here we have given if root x multiplied with root x multiplied with root x plus root x equals to 10, where it is given that x is a positive real number, means x value is real as well as it's greater than 0. Okay, then find the value of x. So here we need to find the value of this unknown variable. So without any delay, let's dive into the solution. So what we have given? We have given root x multiplied with root x multiplied with root x plus root x equals to 10. Okay. So this one is the one of the viral math problem in the YouTube. I am going to solve this in two ways. So the first way is really short and interesting. Let's just start with first method. In the first method, I'll assume y equals to root x. Obviously, y is a positive integer, as in the question it is given that x is a positive real number. Now I'll replace root x as y. So here I can write y multiplied with y multiplied with y plus y equals to 10. Okay. Now this implies here I can simply write y cube plus y equals to 10. Okay. Now I'll take y common from this two term. So y multiplied with y square plus 1 equals to 10. Okay. Now from here I'll find the factors of 10. So we know that the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10 itself. Now by just looking to these factors, we can assume that the value of y square plus 1 must be greater than y. Okay. So the possible values of y and y square plus 1 can be either 1 comma 10, as y is a positive number, or 2 comma 5, as we know that y square plus 1 must be greater than y. Now if I put the value of y as 1 here, then we'll get 1 square plus 1 as 2. So the 2 will multiply it with this one, we'll get 2 only, which is not equals to 10. So this value of y comma y square get discarded. Now we are left with only this value. Let's assume the value of y as 2. Okay. So if I put here 2, so this will become 4 plus 1. So here we are getting 5. Okay. And 2 multiplied with 5 is 10. This value of y comma y square plus 1 is satisfying the equation. So from here we can directly write y equals to 2 and y square plus 1 equals to 5. Okay. So we are getting the value of y as 2. Now as before we have taken y equals to root x, we need to find the value of x. So I'll replace this y as root x. So root x equals to 2. Now in order to find the value of x, I need to square both sides of equation. So squaring both sides, we have root x square 2 square, which is equals to x equals to 4 is our answer. Okay, this is our first method. Let's move on to the second one, which is bit lengthy. So our equation is root x multiplied with root x multiplied with root x plus root x equals to 10. Okay. Similarly, I'll assume y as root x. Now replacing the root x with y, will get y multiplied with y multiplied with y plus y equals to 10. Okay. This implies is y cube plus y equals to 10. Now I will take this 10 to the other side. So this implies is we are getting y cube plus y minus 10 equals to 0. This implies is y cube plus y. Here I am going to split this 10 as minus 8 minus 2 equals to 0. Now in the next step, I'll arrange the above equation as y cube minus 8 plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Now I will write this minus 8 as y cube minus 2 cube plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now here you can see that let's just assume y as a and 2 as b. So we'll apply an algebraic identity, that is a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b multiplied with a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so we'll apply this identity here. So this implies is y minus 2 multiplied with y square plus 2y plus 4 plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now I'll take y minus 2 common. So inside we are left with y square plus 2y plus 4 plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, this implies is y minus 2 multiplied with y square plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Now we can directly equate y minus 2 with 0 and this quadratic equation with 0. Okay, so y minus 2 equals to 0 and here we have y square plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Now this implies is now I'll just take this minus 2 to the other side. So here we are getting y equals to 2, as we have assumed that root x as y. So I'll replace y with root x now. So we are getting root x equals to 2. Now squaring both sides will get x equals to 4 is one of the answer which we already got in our first method. Now let's just solve this quadratic equation. Okay, in order to find the value of y here, we need to apply the quadratic formula. So for that we can write y equals to minus b plus or minus root under d. D is a discriminant divided by 2a. Now here d discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. So here a, b, c are nothing but the coefficient of the quadratic equation. So we can write a equals to 1, b equals to 2 and c equals to 5. Okay. Now we will put the value of a, b, c in the discriminant first. So d equals to 4 minus 4 multiplied with 1 multiplied with 5. So 4 minus 20. So here we are getting minus 16. As you can see that the discriminant is less than 0, which is minus 16. So we will get the value of y as an imaginary number. But in the question it is given that the value of x is only real and positive number. So the only real and positive answer we are getting as x equals to 4. I hope you have understood both the method clearly. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.